Bostik D-250 is a high-performance, low-odor, non-flammable, rapid-drying, water-based penetrating epoxy, two-component system that is formulated to dramatically reduce moisture vapor transmission and surface alkalinity from various substrates, including hardwood, sheet vinyl, luxury vinyl tile, cork, carpet, porcelain, ceramic tile, marble, and stone. Bostik D-250 is uniquely formulated so that it may be applied to fresh green concrete as soon as it has achieved initial set. For applications with substrate moisture vapor emission rate of less than or equal to 14 pounds per 1,000 square feet, one coat coverage is required. For moisture vapor emissions between 14 pounds and 25 pounds per 1,000 square feet, 2 coats of coverage are required. It is pigmented green for visual indication of coverage and film thickness during the application process. It is extremely durable and wear resistant. This non-blushing formulation requires no solvent wiping and has no application window in which floor covering adhesives must be applied to achieve a strong bond. Bostik D-250 is formulated to be effective in reducing the surface alkalinity of concrete slabs with pH levels as high as 14 down to pH levels of 9 or lower. Bostik D-250 contains Bostik's blockade antimicrobial protection, which inhibits the growth of mold and mildew on the surface of the membrane. Light foot traffic and installation of flooring material may typically begin after 6 hours of cure time or once the surface is tack-free to the touch. Be sure to read the technical and safety data sheets before use. These are easily found on our website at bostik.com/US. Visit the website to download the datasheet for D-250 moisture vapor barrier coating.